So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set your status, or your online status I should say, to Do Not Disturb here on the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Once you're here in the top left, I want you to press and hold down on the profile picture. Once you're here where it says change online status, I want you to change this to do not disturb. So where it says do not disturb, simply go ahead and press on the little circle. Now, as you can tell in the bottom right of your profile picture, your online status is now set to do not disturb. So once again, press and hold, change online status, press do not disturb, and there you go. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to set your online status to do not disturb on Discord. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.